going to show you some of the components of a filling smoothie. Hi, my name is Alicia. I specialize in pre and postnatal training and also nutrition coaching. People often ask, aren't you hungry after having a smoothie for breakfast? And my answer is no. You will not get hungry quickly if you include the right things in your smoothie. If you're making a smoothie with only fruits and veggies, then chances are you're going to be hungry shortly after. If you want to feel full and satiated longer, your smoothie should include a mixture of carbs, proteins, and fats. These are your macronutrients. Don't be afraid of carbs because they're very important for your body. Not only is it your body's preferred source of energy and the only source of energy for your brain and your red blood cells, but it's also a great source of fiber, which improves your digestion and cholesterol levels. Of course, as with everything, we consume carbs in balance. So sources of carbs in this smoothie are our pineapple, which is frozen, and our flaxseed meal. That's just about a tablespoon of flaxseed. So our next component is protein. Protein forms the main structural component of our muscles, as well as that of the brain, the nervous system, the blood, the skin, and hair. And it helps to keep you full. So I'm using Collagen Peptides as my source of protein, but you can use any protein powder that works for you. I've really been loving this particular brand of collagen from Primal Kitchen. Collagen is one of the most abundant proteins in the body, but it declines as we age. So using a supplement works well for your skin, hair, and nails. So here we have 10 grams of proteins per scoop in this collagen peptide. But of course, if you wanted to double this, you could just use 2 scoops. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, you may want to avoid this since there's not much research on how this affects women in those stages. Next, we want to include healthy fats. Fats are important. They're an important backup source of stored energy, and it helps you to feel satiated. It's good for cell growth and organ protection. So for our fats, we're using a bit of avocado, which I've frozen. This would be equivalent to about a slice of avocado. And we're also going to get our fat source from flaxseed meal. These are a great source of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. So let's put everything together. I'm using a base of water, but of course you can use whatever you want. You could use coconut water, you could use nut milk, whatever works for you, but I'm just keeping it really, really simple and using a base of water. So I'm using about a cup of water, and to that I'm going to add my tablespoon of flaxseed meal. I'm going to add a scoop of collagen peptides and also going to add some ginger. Now I'm taking a shortcut. This is not fresh ginger. I'm out of fresh ginger, but I always have these instant ginger sachets. I think they're from Caribbean Dreams. So I'm going to just use about a half of that sachet and add my pineapple and avocado. There we go. So this smoothie is not going to be a very sweet smoothie. So if you're looking for something low sugar, this is it. If you wanted to add some sugar, you could also add banana, right? Which is a nice way to sweeten your smoothie. So let's go. I'm also going to add just a squeeze of lemon. I forgot to add the lemon, but I quite like it. It gives the smoothie a very nice taste. All right. Here we go again. Just blend it up. Okay, and we're just going to pour it it into our glass. There we go. And there is our smoothie. Now, of course, you know, with smoothies, it depends on how you like your smoothie. You might prefer a thicker smoothie, where this might work for you, or you might prefer something a little bit thinner, so you could just add some more liquid. But here is our finished product, our pineapple smoothie. So just to recap, 3 things that you want to include in your smoothies to keep you full, to give you energy, are carbs, fats, and protein, right? Always include those things. That's what makes a balanced smoothie. In fact, that's what makes a balanced plate. So even in your eating, ensure that you have those 3 components on your plate. So if you like this workout, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, a like, and any questions that you have, leave them in the comments below and let me know. Would you make this smoothie? Do you think this is a smoothie that you would like? Also, remember, sharing is caring. Share with a friend who you think might benefit from this. And consider subscribing to my channel for more wellness and fitness tips. Bye guys.